Welcome. If you're looking to update your Pinterest first name using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you're rebranding, correcting a typo, or just ready for a fresh start, changing your first name on Pinterest is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the change. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on your profile picture again. This will bring up more options. Look for and select View Profile. Here, you'll see a button or link labeled Edit Profile. Give that a tap. Inside the Edit Profile section, you'll find all your basic account details. Look for the field labeled First Name. Tap on it, and your keyboard will pop up, ready for you to enter your new desired first name. Take a moment to type in the name you want everyone to see on your Pinterest profile. Double-check for any spelling errors before moving on. Once you're happy with your new first name, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save or Done button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. Pinterest will update your profile instantly, and your new first name will be visible right away. That's all it takes. You've successfully changed your Pinterest first name using the mobile app. This simple update can help your profile reflect exactly who you are or the brand you want to build. If you ever want to make another change, just repeat these steps. Thanks for following along. For more helpful tips and the latest updates, be sure to check out our other guides. Happy pinning!